The human brain, a marvel of biology, an enigma of science, and the seat of consciousness. Here's a fun fact. It boasts around 86 billion neurons. This intricate network of cells makes the brain one of the most densely packed organs in our bodies. Think of it as a bustling city where every neuron is a citizen, each with a unique role to play. Intriguing, right? So buckle up as we dive into the world of neurons and beyond. Did you know that your brain's neurons communicate at breakneck speeds? Let's dive into this. Our brain is a bustling electricity highway. Neurons, the star players in this network, converse with each other using electrical impulses. Now imagine these impulses as cars zooming down an 8-lane freeway. Just how fast are they going, you ask? Try speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. That's faster than the top speed of a Formula One race car. This speedy communication between neurons is what allows us to think, feel, and react to the world around us in real time. Whether you're solving a complex math problem or simply enjoying a delicious slice of pizza, remember, all the magic is happening at a blistering pace inside your head. So next time you think, remember, it's all happening at 268 miles per hour. Ever wondered how much memory your brain can store? The answer might astound you. The human brain is an extraordinary organ, and one of its many marvels is its incredible capacity for memory storage. It's like your very own personal hard drive, stashed away inside your head. This memory palace, as some like to call it, is estimated to hold the equivalent of 2.5 petabytes of digital memory. What does that mean in layman's terms, you ask? Well, imagine a digital storage device that could hold around 3 million hours of television shows. Yes, you heard that right? 3 million hours? Isn't that something? So next time you're worried about forgetting something, remember that your brain has got you covered. It's the ultimate storage device, tirelessly working to catalog your experiences, thoughts, and knowledge. That's enough memory to binge-watch 3 million hours of your favorite shows. Dreams are a fascinating phenomenon, aren't they? As we drift into the realm of sleep, our brains enter a stage known as REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is when most of our dreaming occurs. In this intriguing phase, the brain's hustle and bustle echo that of being awake. Neurons fire up, painting vivid images, weaving intricate narratives, and sometimes offering a surreal twist to our everyday reality. It's like attending a private movie screening, with your brain as the director, producer, and audience all in one. But here's the catch. While the brain is busy orchestrating these dreamy escapades, it puts the body on pause. Yes, it paralyzes the body to prevent us from acting out our dreams. Imagine sleepwalking on a busy road or trying to fly off your balcony. Nightmare scenarios, right? So your brain is hard at work even when you're asleep, creating those intricate dreamscapes. Your brain might be small, but it's an energy powerhouse. Weighing in at just about 2% of your body's weight, this small organ has a big appetite for energy. It guzzles up a whopping 20% of the oxygen you breathe in and the calories you consume. Imagine that. A mere 2% of your body taking up 1/5 of your energy resources. This energy consumption isn't for nothing, though. The brain is home to billions of neurons, all working tirelessly to keep you functioning, thinking, moving, and even dreaming. Every thought, every heartbeat, every blink of your eyes is powered by these neurons, and they need a lot of energy to do their job. But where does all this energy go? It's used for everything from keeping your heart beating to helping you solve complex problems and create new memories. So the next time you're enjoying a meal, remember, you're not just eating for one, you're eating for billions of neurons. Fueling your brain is a full-time job. Why does the brain look so wrinkled, you might ask? Well, it's not because it's getting old or needs a good ironing, it's actually a sign of its brilliance. The human brain is incredibly wrinkled, a folding marvel, if you will. This crumpled appearance is due to the countless folds and creases known as gyri and sulci. Now, these aren't just for show. They serve an essential purpose. They increase the brain's surface area dramatically, making room for a higher number of neurons. Imagine trying to fit a large, detailed map into a small container. You'd have to fold it multiple times, right? That's essentially what your brain is doing. It's packing in as much processing power as it can into the limited space of your skull. So next time you think about the brain, picture it as an incredibly detailed map, all crumpled up to fit inside your head. All those wrinkles just to fit more neurons. Your brain's communication system is faster than the world's best supercomputer. Now that's a statement to ponder. Wondering how? It's all thanks to synapses. These tiny junctions, scattered throughout your brain, are where the magic happens. Synapses are the connectors, the bridges that allow neurons to pass messages to each other. They're like the internet of your brain, facilitating lightning-fast communication across billions of neurons. And when we say lightning fast, we mean it. The speed of communication within your brain can reach up to 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a top-of-the-line sports car. Now brace yourself for this number. The estimated number of synapses in your brain? Over 100 trillion. Yes, you heard that right. To put that into perspective, that's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way. With over 100 trillion synapses, your brain is truly a marvel of speed and efficiency. Did you know your brain can change and adapt throughout your life? This fascinating ability is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's power to rewire and reorganize itself, forging fresh neural connections as we experience, learn, and adapt. This extraordinary flexibility of the brain isn't just about learning new facts or mastering a new skill. It also plays a crucial role in recovery from brain injuries. When a part of the brain gets damaged, other parts can sometimes take over the function of the lost area, thanks to this inherent plasticity. Neuroplasticity is like the brain's magic trick, constantly reshaping and refining its structure to accommodate our experiences and needs. It's a lifelong process, proving that it's never too late to learn, adapt, and grow. So next time you're faced with a challenge, remember, your brain is equipped with the power to adapt and overcome. Remember, it's never too late to teach an old brain new tricks. Ever had a brain freeze from eating ice cream too quickly? You might think it's a direct reaction to the cold dessert on your brain, but it's not quite that. It's actually a nerve response triggered by a sudden temperature change in the roof of your mouth, which is connected to your brain via the trigeminal nerve, the chief nerve of facial sensation. When you gulp down that frosty treat, the cold rapidly cools the blood vessels in the roof of your mouth. This sudden change in temperature causes these vessels to quickly contract and then expand, triggering a pain response from the nerve. This signal is then directed to the brain, which interprets it as a headache. But don't worry, the discomfort is fleeting and subsides as soon as your mouth warms up again. So, the mystery of the brain freeze? It's all about the nerves and blood vessels in your mouth reacting to the cold. Next time, take it slow with that cold treat. Think you're a multitasking pro? Think again. Contrary to popular belief, our brains are not designed to handle multiple tasks at the same time. It's a common misconception that we can efficiently juggle different activities simultaneously. But here's the truth. Our brains don't really multitask. Instead, they switch rapidly from one task to another. This constant switching can actually lead to decreased efficiency and increased errors. Imagine trying to juggle several balls at once. The more balls you add, the more likely you are to drop one, right? The same principle applies to our brains. When we overload them with multiple tasks, we often end up compromising on quality and efficiency. Moreover, multitasking can lead to a phenomenon known as task switching cost. This is the time our brain needs to adjust each time it switches between tasks, which can add up over time and lead to fatigue. So, single tasking might just be the way to go for maximum efficiency. Well, that's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating world of the human brain. We've explored everything from its billion-strong neuron population to its high-speed signal systems, from its vast storage capacity to its energy demands, and even its mysterious brain freeze phenomena. Understanding our brain helps us understand ourselves better. Found these facts intriguing? Share this video with others and spread the knowledge. Remember, a curious mind is a growing mind.